Hello and welcome to the FIU Institutional Effectiveness video tutorials. This video will be taking you through the steps necessary to submit your results to the Nuventive Improve platform, previously known as TrackDat. Upon entering the Assessment Hub, click on the Submit Data to TrackDat icon to enter Nuventive Improve. Upon entering Nuventive Improve, you will see the home page. At the top of the page, a drop-down menu appears that houses all reports you have access to view. The navigation panel on the left contains several useful icons. The green and purple icons provide information about the page you are currently viewing. The report summary is a table with all active entries for outcomes, methods, results, use of results for improvement, and follow-ups. Active entries contain links that will allow you to view each entry in its corresponding page on the platform. The navigation menu on the left side of the screen provides access to all pages that make up your report. Navigate to the Assessment Planning tab and click on Results to view the results page. The results page is where you will be entering your data for your assessment report. This page contains expandable sections with active and archived outcomes. To modify your filters, click on the blue icon on the top left-hand corner. This page has options to filter your view by plan and by results. The Show Inactive Methods filter should be switched to Yes to view archived sections. Each outcome expands to display its corresponding methods, results, use of results for improvement, follow-up, and evidence. To add new results, click on the green plus sign icon. Upon clicking the green plus sign icon, you will arrive at the Add Results page. This page is where you will be able to add new results. Your results contain a description of the data you have collected for the current academic year. For a brief description of what is expected for each entry, click the question mark icon. The results field should include the number of students assessed, the number of students that met the minimum criteria for success, and a brief analysis of the data. If using a rubric, also provide average scores across indicators. The criterion status is the percentage by which the minimum criteria for success was met. Once you have entered your new results, its corresponding reporting period, and selected the proper criterion status, you may save your entries and return to the results page to view. Upon returning to the results page, you will see your latest entry. If you wish to edit the existing results entry, click on the pencil icon. The trash can icon will delete an entry and cannot be reverted. The next step will be to add your use of results for improvement, if applicable for the reporting period. Go to the next video in this series to learn more. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of our channel for other helpful videos.